Hello students, in today's lecture we are going to start a new chapter that is SAP SD. Now what is SD here? SAP Sales and Distribution. Okay, so it's a module in the SAP that we are going to discuss. So what is SD? That is SAP Sales and Distribution. It is an important module of SAP ERP system that consists of business processes required for selling, shipping, and billing of a product. The module is tightly integrated with SAP MM and SAP PP. Key submodules of SAP SDR: customer and vendor master data, sales, delivery, billing, pricing, and credit management. In the later on lectures, we will cover SAP MM and SAP PP. So, what are the features of SAP SD? First feature is price and taxation. It helps you to evaluate the price of goods and services under various conditions like and discount which is granted to a customer. Second is availability check. It helps you to check the availability of a product in the warehouse of an organization. Third is billing and invoice. This SAP SD helps you to generate bills or invoices of the product. Fourth is material determination of this feature of SAP SD helps you to determine the details of the material on the basis of some conditions. Next is credit management. This SAP SD helps you to manage the credit limits for the customers. It can be figured in two different ways: simple credit check and automatic credit check. And last feature of SAP SD is account identification. It helps you to determine the detail of customers on the basis of some particular condition. So this is a diagram representing the components of SAP SD. The SAP SD module is the most important ERP module that is developed by SAP. So it is incorporated inside the SAP software. It helps in the better management of sales and customer distribution data and processes in organization. So these seven are the main components of SAP SD. First is master data, second is sales, third is sales support, then transportation, then shipping, then billing, and then foreign trade. Now in the next upcoming slides, we will discuss all these seven components in detail. The first is master data, that is also called as SAP SD MD. SAP SD has master data which helps you to track each and every transaction within the data. That means master data component helps you to track record of every transaction that occurs within the data. The SD master data consists of both customer and material data and credit management. This module includes processes of order and cash. Functions of master data. The master data has the following functions. There are two levels of master in SD. First is customer master, second is material master, and third we should consider the pricing conditions. The second level master store the details like detailed information about customers, material and business partner, and it also stores the information like flexible data structures that are used to support the business environment. The second component of SAP SD SLS. SLS means sales. So this component is totally related to the sale module. It helps you to handle the minute details of every sale. That means whatever you have sold, it keeps track of each and every sale. Starting from recording the product to customer details, pricing feedback, everything is tracked using this module. Now, what are the functions of sale module in SAP SD? Inquiry and quotes, sales order. That means it fulfills the inquiries that are inquired by the customers regarding the product. And after that, quotes are provided to them according to their requirement. Second is sales order. How many orders are there? Third is consignment. What consignment that you should get regarding a particular product. Then scheduling agreements between the customer and the seller. Then rush orders and back orders, credit and debit memo request. These all are the functions of the sales component of SAP SD. Next is the billing module, which is called as SAP SD BIL. BIL stands for billing. So billing is the crucial part of sales and distribution process. Whenever you sell any product from your organization or from your company, then billing is very important there. So you should provide the proper invoice to the customer. Consumers are given a choice of paying either via online media or they can pay cash on delivery. This specific module should be keeping track of all the billing data in the proper way. That means functions of billing module: automatic or manual invoice creation. Either the invoice will be created manually or it can be created automatically by the SAP ERP system. Second is the comprehensive set of billing functions, the functions that are required to generate the invoice bill. That is basically the comprehensive set of billing functions. Third is real-time integration with finance. Okay. Fourth is fully integrated and comprehensive pricing. Here comprehensive means detailed pricing of each and every product. Next component, that is fourth component in the sales ST, is say SAP SD SHP. SHP stands for shipping. Sales are always associated with shipping and delivery. A product needs to be shipped correctly and delivered to the customer. So this is very important aspect after the customer pays for the product either online or cash on delivery. Okay, so it's your responsibility to ship that product in correct manner. There are different methods of shipping and this module tracks each delivery for each product, and it also provides the customer the facility of tracking their order. This entire process from being shipped to delivered or returned back is recorded using this module. Functions of SAP SDSHP: generate shipping documents. Okay, the documents that are associated with the shipping of the product. You have to generate and keep record of all that documents. Second is picking, packing and inventory management. Okay, so you have to pick the product from the warehouse, then pack it and then keep the record of its stock. Okay, these all activities come under the shipping. Third is transportation management and scheduling, then delivery scheduling and return delivery, then stock transfer. All these are the functions that are to be performed by this module. You can just take the example of e-commerce site like Flipkart, Myntra. All that sites are having the ERP. Okay, they are using the specific ERP through which they provide you all the details regarding the product that you order on their website. Okay. So next is SAP SDTBA. It is related to the transportation of the product. After shipping, the product is to be delivered to the customer by the means of transportation. This component works along with the shipping module. So it can be said that it is a part of shipping module. As the mode of transportation for each product differs, and this module helps you to track all the transportation related data. Now, what are the features of this transportation module? It is flexible and easy to use component which enables you to collect, consolidate and utilize data from sales and distribution processing. It is widely used for logistic information system. Now, next component is sales and support, that is CAS. Selling a product to maintaining it for a process. Customer constantly interact with the sales team. Okay, so that means whenever any company is selling its product to the customer, there should be the communication between the customer and the sales team constantly. The data exchanged between the sales team and customer while delivering support for a product is recorded and reported through this module. Okay, so the function of this sales support module is to provide the support to the customer regarding the product. So it offers functionality to support the staff that is involved in the business development and providing the customer services. Now, what are the functions of sales support? Initially, they are responsible for selling of the product. Second, they are responsible for proper communication with the customers, and they must ensure the correct delivery of the product to them. And they have to handle the queries also generated by the customer regarding the usage of the product. So these all are to be provided by the sales support module. Next is Sap Sd FTT foreign trade. Now here FTT stands for foreign trade. So this module of Sap Sd ERP helps you to manage data that is related to the foreign trade. Okay, the data that is related to import and export to the other countries also, which include both imported and exported product. This module is ideal for enterprises that trade across different continents. Okay, so it keeps all the track of the import and export within the country and outside the country. Now, what are the advantages of using the SAP SD software? First is to track the sale transactions, how many sales have been done. To keep all that record, this SAP SD software is helpful. Second is track sales data along with the team performance. Okay. Third is record pre-sale and post-sale process. Fourth is define process for sales and distribution. Next is helps you to categorize diverse sales and process. Last is effective management of sales document in a specific system. It also helps you to manage all the documents related to the sale of the product. So this is all about SAP SD, that is sales and distribution module. Now